What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Sam here. Today we're going to be doing some lighting upgrades on the tow rig. Don't mind all this mess. This is for multiple videos, so just trying to get y'all some content out there. And today we're going to be doing some lighting upgrades for the tow trucks or the tow rig. So let's get into the video right now. All right, so in this video we're going to be installing these Recon cab lights. They are smoked with a amber light. I should have got white, but you know, we'll get that. I might change them later. And I've also already installed some side marker lights. I'll show you a before and an after, but we got these smoked side marker lights installed on the truck. And then I also upgraded the puddle light underneath here. If you notice, there it is. One was working, one wasn't. So went ahead and just did all those. Those are quick, little, simple things. I'm gonna install these cab lights and we'll see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like now, and then we will see what they look like after. I really just wanted a set of, I wanted to change the lens covers, but I guess you can't change the lens covers. You can like smoke them out with that VHT nightshade stuff, but nobody actually makes that I saw a cover to replace the factory covers, so I had to buy Recon, and these are the plug and plays, so they should just plug into where the bulb plugs in on these ones, and then that should be it. So I'm gonna grab my little step ladder here and the right tools, and we're gonna get started on changing these cab lights out real quick. All right, we got the first one put on here, as you can see. That's what it looks like. This is the old one that came off, just like the other ones. Use the little it's a T20, and these ones just stick right into your factory bulb housing, so pretty easy. Don't know if I need to use, so these lights have a base that goes on like that. I don't know if I should put that on this or not, but looks like there's instructions here, or maybe something, some bag of screws. Or they want me to use their screws, I don't know, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. I know a lot of people said they leak. Hopefully these don't leak, but I'm gonna put the rest of them on here and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. All right, we got them on here. Here's what they look like now. I'll get a shot in the dark for the LEDs, so they look way better. Makes the truck look way better. Those white lights were fogging up and looking gross, and they had halogen bulbs in them. These are LEDs. So I talked about these lights. These are actually Sequential. I'll put a little video up of what they look like when they're running. But I found that there is a company that makes a running light and a turn signal for these, so I don't have to run wires. So I might look into doing that, and then when I do that, the white light, that's a white light, and then I might switch these to white. I want to switch this to white as well for the running light, for a switchback. That's what I was looking for, the word switchback there. And so white switchbacks, white lights. So when it's just running down the road, white, and then when it's turning, amber, continuously white. So, but I will get a video of the outside. I'll give you next video you'll see is us of it outside in the dark when you can actually see the light. So that's gonna be the next video. All right, that's the end of this one, guys. Thanks for watching. To recap, new mirror, new lights on the side markers, new puddle lights, new cab lights. This video, it's been a while since I put the last clip in. Ran it for a couple days without the little gaskets. Turned out that you need them. I don't know if you need them or not, but a lot of people were saying, I asked a couple questions on a couple forums and they said to reuse them. So I put them bad boys back on, and I actually cracked this one over here. When I put them back on, I tightened it too tight and I cracked it a little bit. So I ended up having to go get some like epoxy. To epoxy it back together, it was just a hairline crack, but I didn't want water getting into it. I think a little bit of water already did, because it was kind of like foggy at night. So some water did probably get into it already, but you know, we'll just go down the road. We'll just see what happens down the road with it. Try to drive this thing, and my transmission is not happy right now. The 68 is fighting me. When I bought the truck, I knew that it had problems with the transmission, but I thought it was some kind of, maybe the little pressure box that's got inside or something else. But I think the pressure box has killed the valve body. The valve body the pressure is going all over the place for the valve body, and it's leaking, so it goes into limp mode now. So we're gonna have to figure out what to do with that. I'll have to probably send it off somewhere and get a valve body put in. Hopefully it hasn't ruined any of the clutches or anything inside of it. You know, this is a built stage whatever BD's transmission, so transmission's already got some good parts in it, input shaft and flex plate and torque converter and stuff. So hopefully we can just get away with putting a better valve body in. I'm thinking about going with Randy's, maybe Rev Max. I'm not sure yet. Well, I'll bring you along when that happens. So thanks for watching. Next video, hopefully I'll be getting this lift put on and the tires put on, because I already bought that stuff. I should have probably bought the transmission stuff first, but this is what we got, so this is what we're gonna do. So this is we'll put a 3-inch Carly under this thing to get the lift. We need to put the 35s on it, and then next will be the transmission part. So just keep money. I guess I'll be driving the Jeep for a little while. I think I haven't done nothing to that. I planned on putting some stuff, doing some stuff to that thing, but looks like I'll probably be driving it to work for a couple weeks or whatever, because like I said, this truck is not liking life right now. It just not liking life. It will not, it doesn't matter what you do to it, under light load or anything, it just doesn't want to, the pressures inside are just killing it. So, but we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And hit that like button. Write something down in the comments if you got anything to say or whatever like that. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'll quit rambling and I'll let you go. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you in the next one.